Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 2285, that is maximum total importance of rows, and in this we'll be given an integer n denoting the number of cities in a country, and the cities are numbered from 0 to n minus 1, and we'll be also given in 2D integer array roads where road size equal to a I b a denotes that there exists a bidirectional road connecting cities A and B. Okay, and we need to assign each city with an integer value from 1 to n where each value can be used only once, and the importance of the road is defined as the sum of the values of the two cities it's connect. Okay, we have to determine the maximum total importance of all roads, and all roads possible after assigning the values optimally. Okay, so optimal basically here means that we just by following the rules. Okay, for example, we are giving this like kind of a graph where the cities are from the number 0 1 2 3 4, and the value state are assigned as the second city is assigned the value of 5, first city is assigned the value of 4, third city is assigned the value of 3, zeroth city is assigned the value of 2 and 4. Oh sorry, yeah, first city is assigned the value of 4, third city is assigned the value of 3, zeroth city is assigned the value of 2, and fourth city is assigned the value of 1. So basically what we can do is we'll be assigning the values based on the total number of in degrees and out degrees of that particular city. For example, the city with the maximum number of maximum degree will be having the maximum value. Okay, so we just need to follow this concept. For example, we are having 2, so we are having 2, and this is connected to the maximum number of cities. So the 1, 2, 3, and 4, so it's connected to the maximum number of cities, so we'll be assigning the value of 5 to this, so that will be 5 into 4. Here it should be mentioned. Oh, okay, it's not like they have given a explanation some different way. Okay, I'll just let you know how we can do this. Okay, and next we are having the city number one. The city number one is connected to three more cities which are 0 2 and 3, and then we are having the city 3 which is connected to two cities, so it's a standard value of 3. Then we are having the city number 0 which is again connected to two cities. We can change the values of these two, it won't affect. Then at last we are having the city number 4 which is assigned the value of, and the total sum comes out to be 43. Okay, so for this what we'll be having is we'll be having a degrees array basically. Let's have a long degree that will be equal to new degrees, sorry, new long of size n, and then we'll be updating this degree array. So for int road in road, I'll just put this here. Yeah, for int road and roads, what I'll be doing is in the degrees array, degrees of road 0 plus plus, and then okay, control C, control, yeah, road 1 plus plus. Okay, and then what I'll be having is I'll be sorting this array dot sort degrees, and then what I'll be having is I'll be having a long value that will be initially 1, and my answer is 80, that is initially 0. So then for long degree in degree, I'll be updating my answer as value into my current degree, and then I'll be updating my var. Okay, sorry, sorry about that, and at the end I'll be returning answer. Okay, now let's submit it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.